On na some dem be say me kana.
Oh, fans dey be na ebisa.
Oh, me ni near bia. But last time ko kan bi na man penaja. Me so be blasting on Facebook live.
Okay.
Me tutu la patu. Na me say oh yes some interview go can I say Xylophone TV. And I know ka was some flex show so no ka say I say Strongman say me game boy. Me fraud me fraud.
Okay.
Nti me tell na anya me dey na me say how. Or kind of work say
or say small boy no.
Or say o mon fa me nko tutu la part to level o say bibi say ate asembi sa o kan anya me dey. Nti me tell na jam so no.
Sadly na one true phone for you bro cuz remember they think remember the mom nya sa ade no. And now you feel beef is good for the business.
No, it's not that, but when there is certain issue, now you being my friend, you couldn't call me and you broadcast it out there, like I have to address it out there. There is no need to me frail.
Anyway, big up Sherry Boss, Sakola Virgin, aka Alo Pankaku America is fire. Tay Akodabone. Hi Sherry, I hope you've settled your issue with Strongman.
Oh, but one day why the one friend there Baba settled to meaning say she and she had the remember the young funny when she
say oh Jale what's up
na brushing off.
It says that we didn't share like one-on-one.
2021 or 2020 VJ me share over to me but omunetwem no I drop and say killer and then I call
Sherry em say or fans no omunya better.
There would be all money then. So the many dance I know so
na me producer akasa I say your lies na jam.
On na some dem be say me kana.
Oh, fans dey be na ebisa.
Oh, me ni near bia. But last time ko kan bi na man penaja. Me so be blasting on Facebook live.
Okay.
Me tutu la patu. Na me say oh yes some interview go can I say Xylophone TV. And I know ka was some flex show so no ka say I say Strongman say me game boy. Me fraud me fraud.
Okay.
Nti me tell na anya me dey na me say how. Or kind of work say
or say small boy no.
Or say o mon fa me nko tutu la part to level o say bibi say ate asembi sa o kan anya me dey. Nti me tell na jam so no.
Sadly na one true phone for you bro cuz remember they think remember the mom nya sa ade no. And now you feel beef is good for the business.
No, it's not that, but when there is certain issue, now you being my friend, you couldn't call me and you broadcast it out there, like I have to address it out there. There is no need to me frail.
Anyway, big up Sherry Boss, Sakola Virgin, aka Alo Pankaku America is fire. Tay Akodabone. Hi Sherry, I hope you've settled your issue with Strongman.
Oh, but one day why the one friend there Baba settled to me. Meaning say she and she had the remember the young funny when she
say oh Jale what's up
na brushing off.
It says that we didn't share like one-on-one.
2021 or 2020 VJ me share over to me but omunetwem no I drop and say killer and then I call
Sherry em say or fans no omunya better.
There would be all money then. So the many dance I know so
na me producer akasa I say your lies na jam.
Sir.
Obi a person of free.
Oh.
Me pa cho ya munya botre mai. O say your lies na jam. Obi a person of fresh. How? Like who does that? Munya botre. Hello Zandy, I'm Emmanuel Rocky from Ashoman Estate. Big ups to my man Sherry Buzz. I'm 6 lakh, bro. You too much. I need your number, please. Hey, you are handsome boy. I like you to be. Hey. Munya botre.
Why no?
Hello Zandy, I'm Blinks from Sakumono. I want you to play me Sherry Boss. Who? Okay, the way I was spelling
featuring Amrado.
Besides, I want to ask Sherry Boss when he's coming back to Sakumono.
Sakumono. Yeah, I quite remember last time we went there for some show, but he couldn't come on. Like, I and Kevin Boy. There was a problem with the machines and things, yeah, so we couldn't perform.
Okay, so you say back.
On say, I just say, be no organize event okay, or no, sure. The actors or so I say, hand it to my back.
Me pacho, mumpe, huno, and two of my Okay, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho ka se fi udi the say.
Zandi FM to make us Africa Bremen.
Okay. Pacho, only Sherry Boss in common.
Yo, big man. Na bombo code.
Yeah, bibia boko nana. Na there na
college. Tale wo say how my too much. She feel too much. Sherry Boss. Nyende me pese u blow na the whole year so we are so can.
Oh, ebe why ebe. Mo mpai bo nyame
because everyone was so mobile rappers and I am here if you almost say Sherry Boss and Bad Charlie the whole Ghana Sherry Boss number 1 of the annual.
I say
yeah. She a bonfire more Bibia say oh my
Mate. Vim. All the best, bro.
Okay, when you say I'm gifty, I really like this. Hey, but on your boy a gentleman. I really like also Opewasem. Zandi, tell Sherry this his birthday partner, Febrin. Tell him I wish him good luck and we are happy for his good music and God bless him. Hello, good evening.
Bless up.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Me pacho udi na yoka sefi.
Acho family Lawrence, but I'm a Christian.
Okay. What is sharing kasa?
Lawrence.
Bema.
Me pacho do mu TV ni maya why? Do mu TV ni maya.
Okay. Hello. But madam no.
Okay, kasa.
Ako basta ikaw bi ka kata na ba pa no.
Only nen kasa.
Basta ka san ba ko tene se enyum so ya butere. Nenyum na o so no mani je ho pa.
That's it.
Join no keep it up. This is a parabole in the eternity.
That's it.
That's a bravo. Keep it up, bro.
Mate.
More great terrible. Thank you.
All right. Bless up, bro.
I say a time I saw you fina. Callers ne friend. Pacho say, Sherry and you know I already your time no also we have just 2 minutes to go. Na mofa ento so my. Mami, okay, you for your last caller. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hi again.
Me pacho waka say fi hin udi the same.
Because seven part because if he say what's the origin?
Okay.
I have a constituency.
Okay.
With the PM.
Hey. Only sharing kasa.
Bebo.
Yeah, Nana.
Yaman kan pa ni wa sha se wo ye no.
Mate, me da.
Abi se ko ji ni se wo future pa ti be je ga wo kwa.
Mate.
Wo future. Why?
Me da se.
Pa.
Yeah, that's it. Your time no. Aso. Sorry, e dey na Romans 3:23.
Romans 3:23.
Yeah.
Me Christian untino ana nkale fa Quran mu dia so.
I also you smart.
Oh, there be nyasa me smart. Say Quran bit ma recite Quran. So I say.
Ebusia for passion Sherry enyom na yedi ebe sorry so enti enyom no se esi na ya mabi mo na chese yewie enyom no what release what other sites be and our social media handles
Instagram at SherryBossGH, Twitter at SherryBossGH, Facebook SherryBoss, baby at TikTok SherryBossGH.
Mutumi
so Benyano, Audio Mac, Boomplay, Amazon, Spotify, everywhere, YouTube, baby.
YouTube channel.
SherryBoss now.
Okay. So, enyum ne si na wan hu yen bio ma na je say ya sorry so Medin Ede Zandi Camel HB Elegance and a treatment name Lane's Beauty GH and a share me wig Sanso and a goodira a share me asoma dear Safa Concilio GH and a share matter dear Glow by Juicy and a mame fabric Top City and a share me and Pabwa Yakramo Yensi Numiansana Yako.